In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make images glow in Canva. This simple trick adds a vibrant touch to any design, whether it's for social media, a presentation, or just for fun. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your Canva project and select the image you want to enhance. Just click on it from your design page. Now, duplicate the image. One copy will stay as the base, and the other will be used to create the glow. You can find the duplicate icon in the top toolbar. Click on the duplicate, open the edit menu, and select duotone. This adds a color overlay that sets the foundation for the glowing effect. Choose a color that complements your design, and yeah, don't be afraid to test a few. Next, apply a blur to the entire duplicate image. Select the blur tool, choose whole image, and set the intensity to 100. This softens the edges and gives you that radiant glowing base. Now drag the blurred colored image back over the original and line them up perfectly. Then use the position tool and send the duplicate backward. This makes the glow sit behind your original photo. And that's it. Your glowing image is ready. You can play around with different duotone colors and blur levels until you get the exact vibe you want. Thanks for watching and happy designing in Canva.